This video explores the latest updates included in the sales order module of your storefront. To begin, choose the sales order icon on your dashboard. Click the outskirts of the product list to exit the product page, and tap the menu icon at the top of your page where you can see the set updates in the drop-down box that appears. Next to the menu icon is a plus sign that allows access to the products page for adding products. Tap Process Order when satisfied. On the next page, enter customer details if applicable and select your preferred payment option. In the case where there is a likelihood to add more products, tick the Not Ready with Sales Order box. A pop-up will appear on your screen requesting notes that will help you differentiate this order from others. Select Place Order when done. A message will be displayed at the bottom of your screen declaring the status of your order. Now the Process Pending Orders. Select this option from the drop-down box when the menu icon is tapped. You can edit product quantity by pressing the Add or Subtract sign, or also add and remove a product by tapping the green Add sign or red Subtraction sign at the bottom of your page. Select Process Order to complete the sale. Now enter customer information and choose the preferred payment option to place the order. When your order is done successfully, your pending orders page will be empty and therefore select the back button to leave. Now the Modify Sales Orders option allows you to view all the sales you have made and find particular orders by filtering by product name, order code, or date. Here is a list of all orders placed on our shop. Let us try by entering a product name, Aquafill, from one of these orders. The order linked to this product is displayed on your screen. In the case where you would like to cancel an order, select that order and provide a reason why you are cancelling by choosing Other Reason. For example, customer did not want to buy anymore. Please take note of the reference code for future reasons. Select OK when you are done, and this order will be removed from the list. Alternatively, you can scan the product already processed to view its linked order by choosing the scan icon at the top of your screen. Your storefront now also enables customers to buy from one agent and cash out from another. This requires that you add products and proceed to place the order. Enter customer information and choose the double checkout payment option. Please do well to take note of the checkout code, which is the key that allows a second agent to access this order. To make the double checkout order easier to find, we attach the notes Pay at Cashier by checking the Not Ready with Sales Order box. Now, to cash out a double checkout order, our second agent is to choose the menu icon on the product list page and choose Double Checkout Orders. He enters the checkout code linked to this double checkout order to view the order. Now the product is displayed and our second cashier can process the order. This time he chooses cash or any other payment option and process the order. Once again, find the latest addition to the sales order module of your storefront by tapping the three-dotted icon at the top of your sales order page. That is double checkout orders, modify sales orders, and process pending orders. Thank you.